Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save files on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now if you are using like the Microsoft's product on your local computer, the way is to simply go to the menu file and from there you will be able to start saving your file. So basically for uh, this video, we're just going to try it with the Word. And basically for all the products, it will be the same method. So the first thing to do is of course like you will be editing on some document or a worksheet, like in case of Excel or some presentation in case of PowerPoint. Now, you will be needing just to go to the File menu. By going to the File menu, you will find this Save or Save As. So it's if it's your first time saving the file, you will be redirected to the Save As, and you enter a file name, and from here you choose where you want to save the file. So basically, if you want like to have some uh, particular direction or particular folder, you will be needed just to click on browse, and from here you choose the location where you want like to save the file. Here you enter the name, and basically here you will be able to choose the format of the file. Either you leave it as it is. So in the case of Word, you can save the files as doc, X, or as a PDF, XPS, and XML, etc. For other products like Excel, you will be able like to make your file as a CSV, as JSON, or as like an XML or XMLX. That means the Excel file. And basically, then you will be needing just to simply click on save. If you want to be or to have your file to be on the OneDrive, that means like the cloud, you will be able to just like save it there. And basically, if you go to your OneDrive, that means here, like on the OneDrive, you will be able to find your files here because it is a cloud environment where you can save your file. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.